Welcome to my YouTube channel. So here in this session, I'll be covering about EC2 instance of Amazon, how to create an EC2 instance in AWS. So the first step would be to go to the AWS website and then log in with your credentials. Once you're in, what you need to do is have to go to EC2 dashboard on the top left corner. And then here, if you can see, there is an option called Launch Instance. You can click on this. And here you have to name an the EC2 instance. So just to name it, I'll name it as AWS instance. I'll name it as Ubuntu because since I'll be using Ubuntu as the platform. So once you click on this, you have to select the operating system here. Since Ubuntu is more user-friendly, I'm going with Ubuntu for now. The next step would be you have to select from the drop-down the free tier Ubuntu server. So to go with, we can select this one. And when you go down, you have to select the instance type. So again, we are selecting and we are going with the free tier one, which is eligible for this account. Here we have to use key pair. For now, I'm going to create the key pair, but in the next session, I'll be um putting more information or I'll be giving more information on how we can use key pair and where exactly we can create it or where exactly it has been needed. So when you click on create new pair and here AWS, um, AWS Ubuntu key pair, and we have to always go with .pem, then create key pair, and if you can see it has been downloaded. When you go down, you have to use the same information by default anywhere because we don't have to restrict any of the IP address through which the users can access this. So once this is done, on the top right corner, you can select how many instances we want. Usually, we will have three types of instances. One is for development, one is for testing, one is for production server. But in this video, I'm going to show only one instance, like how we can create it. So after this, you can click on Launch Instance. It is going to initialize and then now if you can see it shows success. To view this, you have to go back to the Instances tab. And if you remember, we named our the name of the instance we named as AWS. If you can see, we're not able to see it. So let me refresh. Oh, okay. If you can see here, here we have it. It shows pending status. Now let's wait for it. Let's wait. Let it change the status. And let's see. Okay. All right. Okay, if you can see, it's started running. So basically, in this video, I have showed you how to create the EC2 instance, and this is how you do it. If you want to rename it, you have to right click on it, or maybe you can just click on this edit option and you can edit the name of the instance, and now you should be good. Thank you so much, and please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.